Welcome to JD's Prep. Here we review a problem that shows the importance of starfish in an ecosystem. The problem reads, in the coastal waters off western North America, there is a starfish species that feeds primarily on mussels and other marine organisms. In an experimental area, the starfish were removed from the waters. The effect of this removal is shown in the graph below. And here we have a look at a graph and how the influence of starfish affect the number of species present in an ecosystem. What conclusion can be made regarding the role of starfish in this ecosystem? 1. The biodiversity of this ecosystem increased within 10 years as organisms adjusted to the loss of starfish. 2. The starfish is important in maintaining its biodiversity of this ecosystem. 3. When the starfish were removed, the ecosystem decreased in stability and increased in biodiversity. Or 4. Biodiversity in this ecosystem is not dependent on the presence of starfish. Let's take a closer look at our graph. We had two experiments being reflected in this graph. Here is the number of species present when there were starfish in the ecosystem. And we can see we start here and go up, and that is biodiversity, number of species or biodiversity with starfish. And then we have the biodiversity as we remove the starfish, and that is our experimental group. And as you can see, the biodiversity is decreasing. Therefore, we can conclude that our final answer is that the starfish are important in maintaining the biodiversity of this ecosystem. Option 2. Thanks for visiting JD's Prep.